After you've downloaded the Task Planner PDF, click here and make a copy of the sheet. If you're not prompted to make a copy of the sheet, make sure that you're signed into a Google account. The Guide tab on the sheet will assist you in understanding how to input tasks and navigate the planner. Simply hover your cursor over the various sections for helpful tips. You'll notice example tasks represented by blue crosses, providing you with a reference for where you can enter your own tasks. The tab named Planner is a clean slate for you to begin planning, and you can delete or hide the guide sheet. Begin planning by selecting a month from the drop-down menu. Next, create an incentive that will keep you motivated, like a reward you'll give yourself or a fun activity you can look forward to. Now list all the tasks that you want to accomplish every day. When you complete over 75% of your tasks for a specific day, the progress percentage will trigger a color change. Notice that with each completed task, the progress bar increases. This shows that you're getting closer to reaching your goal with every task you tick off your list. Now that you have a solid foundation, fill in the rest of your tasks for the month. And just like that, you're done. At the end of the month, your task planner will look something like this. By following these simple steps and using our task planner, you'll be able to stay organized, motivated, and track your progress effectively. Happy planning!